Here's the gas cartridge. It looks like this. Okay, we have the valve, which is opening and closing the gas, and we have the burner, which looks like this. So it has a central part which is a valve, so it's releasing the gas only when that central part is pushed down, so it's like a spray. If it's not pushed down, then it's locking, it's not releasing the gas. That central part is pushing that one down. This has a half sphere that is for this lip, so it can be attached like that. That's the valve itself. To the left it will release the gas, to the right it will block it, it will close it. It has this moving part which is held by the rubber ring not to fall out. Okay, and then if you push it in, then you can tighten it. When you tighten it, then this cylindrical element will go around that one, so in that case it will not allow the entire valve to come out. Don't over tighten it because it can deform this lip, so just pull it over like so, push it down a little bit so that it can be threaded. It will make a sound, the gas will enter into this element. Just rotate it. Hold it with your other finger, this one. That's it, it entered. Don't over tighten it because it will raise it up. So the gas is being released from here. And simply tighten this there. That one has thread. And that's it. So here's a lighter. Simply release the gas a little bit and ignite it. Smaller, larger. Oh, it's hot. And close it. This part will of course heat up. Okay, and after it cools down you can remove it. Simply unscrew it from this part. You will hear a sound, the valve will close. That's it. Rotate it even more. Okay, and it comes off. So that's a valve inside. Primus burner.